friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So here on my channel, I do a lot about Saint makeup because I am a Saint artist. I do a lot about DIY lashes because I love DIY lashes, and I do everything about beauty, skincare, makeup. I just love talking about it. Here on my platform, I want it to be educational. So what works for me may not work for you, and I strongly encourage everybody to leave comments so that other viewers, as they're watching the videos, can see, hey, did this work for somebody else, or maybe this didn't work for somebody else or for you. My biggest thing is I have different skin tone, I have different skin type, I have different hair. Everybody is different, and so what necessarily works for me may not work for you, and I just want everybody to put their comments down. If you don't agree with something, I strongly encourage you to leave your comments. I will never bash anybody that says anything unless you say something super negative, like stuff that I can't change or whatever. It's all about positivity here, and if something doesn't work, if a product doesn't work, then feel free to leave your comments down below. So today's video is going to be a review on the Bleach London Rosé. This is super cool color. I believe this is by Guy Tang. I don't know. I thought for whatever reason it was, but now that I'm looking at the bottle, it doesn't say anything. But basically, if you can see, my hair needs to be washed. It's yucky. But you can see a little bit of pink right here. So I bought this same one, got it at Walmart, but they have a shampoo and I think a conditioner. But I did not find the conditioner, I only found the shampoo, and it left a really pretty pink hue. I'll insert a picture right here so you can see when it was freshly done. This has washed out. It does wash out in a couple of washes. So it's something that's definitely semi-permanent, but like semi-permanent for a very, very short time. So if you're wanting something for a quick, you know, cute hair thing or an event or whatever, then the shampoo is a really, really good option, and it just gives like a light wash of color. Now, it didn't really take up here, but I do have very, very, you know, you can see it's very, my hair is so greasy right now, but it's very light at the bottom. This one is supposed to be pack more of a punch. So it does show, and this is so, I don't know, maybe because I'm getting almost 40, I can barely read the writing. Like, I actually legit have to put my glasses on because I can't see anything. Let's do this. Okay, so, oh Lord, that's not even better. These are supposed to be for distance, not reading. I need reading glasses. It's so embarrassing. No, it's not embarrassing. Hey, getting older sucks, but it's a privilege that's denied to many. So this is basically what it shows. Like, if you have very, very light hair, it's going to be like a bubblegum pink. The shampoo was a little bit lighter than this, so it's not going to be in your face. I wanted something with a little bit more of a pack of a punch. So basically with the shampoo, all you did was shampoo it. It lathered up exactly the way regular shampoo did. And what I did was, to get that look that I achieved earlier, I did it twice. So I shampooed my hair, rinsed it out, and then shampooed my hair again. It does come out very, very pink, but I did not need any gloves with the shampoo. And it didn't leave any pink streaks or anything like that in my bathtub. I'm not sure about this one. This one, like I said, is supposed to be a little bit more, let me see. Well, you'll guys see it. You'll see it when I bring it out. But it does say to wear gloves. It does say that it fades out in 1 to 3 washes. We're gonna see, because the shampoo faded out 1 to 3 washes. But this one, maybe it's the same thing, it just packs more punch. But it's supposed to wear gloves, apply generously to shampooed, towel-dried hair, massage and comb through mid-lengths and ends before leaving to develop for 30 minutes. Rinse out and style as desired. So there's definitely a longer treatment time or developing time, whereas the shampoo was literally 5 minutes in the shower. And it did do a really good job of cleansing my hair. I felt like at first, when I first used it, I cleansed my hair with my regular shampoo, but I found that the shampoo, the Rosé shampoo, actually cleaned it really, really well. So again, that's just an option. I saw this one and wanted a little bit more of a punch. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair like I normally do. Enough with me talking, let's get in the video. Okay, so I'm back. I have washed my hair. I did put conditioner in it. So I'm gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna do, because it does take 30 minutes to develop, like I said, I'm gonna start in the back. It does say, wearing gloves, apply generously to shampooed, towel-dried hair. So I know if you want a bigger bang, you can do it on dry hair. I just don't know how big of a bang it's gonna give me. So I wanna try it out on wet hair first, and then maybe if it comes out, you know, not as dark as I want it or not as bright as I want it, then I'll do another video where it's on dry hair. And so if you guys are interested in this, then we can do a comparison. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep this towel just so I could put it up. I did throw on a black shirt just in case, because if it's telling me to wear gloves, then I'm assuming it's going to possibly stain something. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. What the heck? It's in there. Okay, let me go ahead and close it and maybe shake it up. Okay, I heard, okay, there we go. So it's such a pretty color. So it is nice and thick, which I like. Now, if you watch any of my videos, you know, since I got COVID like 2 years ago, actually 2 years ago, probably right around Thanksgiving, so exactly 2 years ago, I can't smell things 100%. I can smell food, but like perfumes or chemicals or BO or cigarettes or dog poop, I just can't smell it, like at all. I can smell perfumes and colognes, but they all smell nasty to me. Yeah, so there's a smell, but I honestly can't tell you if it's how strong it is or if it's bad or good, because it just smells a little chemically, but not bad, but it could be like horrible. I just can't, unfortunately, I cannot give you that review. Okay, so I put a lot on it. You can see the pink already picking up. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here. So that is that. And actually, I don't even need my towel. If you had longer hair, probably a good idea, but it doesn't really even sit on my head, so I'm fine with that. I am gonna take a rag though and just clean up this. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, come back, rinse it out, and then we will see what the final result is. So it is done, it's been 30 minutes. It is now hardened. It is hard, but I did see like right here, I did not get off my skin, but it seems like it is coming off fairly easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'll blow dry it and we'll see what the final result is. So a couple things real quick. One thing I can say, when I was washing it, I could see the color kind of coming out in the water, but I'm looking at my white tub, there's no stains. It washed away and it wasn't a ton. I wouldn't say it's like actual hair dye, but I did actually see in the water, but I haven't seen any pink stains on my white clawfoot tub. So that's good. I also don't have any on my skin, so you don't have to use gloves in order to rinse it out. So that is a great thing as well. The other thing is, as I was kind of washing it out and, you know, really scrubbing it out, my hair does not feel damaged. Like, it doesn't feel like straw. It's still super, super soft. We'll see when I actually blow dry it how it is, but just kind of rinsing it out, I don't feel like it, you know, obviously it's gonna damage your hair somewhat, but I didn't feel any significant damage, and I do have bleached hair. So that is the first results. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out. So that is the final result. You can see here, I definitely got a lot more here, which I'm fine with. Here's the back. So I can't see it, so I don't know what it looks like. Yeah, see, the back just never picks up any of the pigment for whatever reason. It's so frustrating, but it is what it is. I've got to style the rest of it. But yeah, to be honest, I mean, you can see it's dyed my scalp, so it's definitely like hair dye, but I don't think it turned any more pink than the shampoo. And for me, the shampoo was a heck of a lot quicker. It was a heck of a lot easier. I was able to do in the shower. Like I said, I did it twice, and I feel like maybe this got a little bit more of my roots, but not significantly. Not enough for me to be like, okay, yeah, the 30 minutes that I had to have it developed, or the 30 minutes to develop it was enough. Like, to me, the shampoo, and now that I've, or to finish that thought, for me, the shampoo did just as much color payoff, maybe a little bit less, but I think I could have built it up a little bit more, and I could have done the shampoo on dry hair, and I think it would have taken a little bit better. And this definitely, I think, would take a little bit better on dry hair. I might try it again. But I actually like the shampoo a little bit better because I don't necessarily like it going all the way up to my roots. I did prefer it when it just hit this bottom area, because to me it just makes it a little bit too, I don't know, rose gold all the way and not just pink like this. But that's a minor thing. I think what I might do is try to do it on dry hair, especially getting it in my back and like under here where it just literally didn't pick up anything. But it's not hair dye, it's just a color deposit, so it's not like it's going to significantly change anything. But that is that. I feel like my camera is a little wonky. But overall, decent. I don't recall what the price difference was between this and the shampoo. I do know you get more of the shampoo, but obviously you use a little bit more. I think the shampoo was like twice the size of this, so maybe it was the same price. But like I said, just kind of first impressions, I feel like that I like the shampoo better because it was literally 5 minutes and it was just as much of a color payoff. So even, I actually like the shampoo better as the color payoff because it didn't get up here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments below if you have tried this product out, if you tried any of the other products out. I know they have a really pretty lilac one that I think I might do next after I get my hair freshly dyed. But yeah, that is it. Please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, bye.